I'd like to see a city of Los Angeles where families that have little children from 0 to 5 years old can take those children out to the park during the day or even during the evening hours.
Where the moms can walk and feel safety.
Where kids can have access to fresh fruits and vegetables.
It's my wish to see families playing, learning, everybody together.
That they can send their children to school and know that those children are going to be safe.
They can get in to see the doctor whenever they need it, and they're happy, and that the whole community is raising them in a positive way.
Every year, 154,000 children are born in Los Angeles County.
But this is his first time.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
First 5 LA is really about making sure that every one of them is born healthy, has the supports to thrive, and actually enter school ready to learn. Unfortunately, children in Los Angeles County face more problems than ever. Just like many other places across the United States, one of the biggest issues is poverty. We found among preschoolers entering preschool, 1 out of every 5 was obese, and 6 out of every 10 kids actually are not proficient in reading by 3rd grade.
Our families are dealing with key stressors every day. Poverty, housing issues that either prevent them from working or even prevent them from being true supports to their children.
Michaela Grant?
I'm just really concerned about the health care for the children. You know, if they're not well, then they're not well enough to go to school and function properly. And if they can't function properly, they won't get a good education.
It's just gonna give your arm a big hug, okay?
Squeeze, little hug.
Let's see.
Over the years, we've funded several initiatives to try to address the issues around learning, around health, and try to improve the birth weight. But the initiatives actually could be bigger, they could be broader, and they could affect more children.
She's been having asthma. Has she ever been on a controller medication for asthma?
We've had to learn from our own mistakes, our own experience. We've had an opportunity to talk to the providers that we work with over the years, and they've told us, you know, I wish our initiatives could be connected. Parents told us, I wish I wouldn't have to go to 7 different places to get a service for my child.
Let's see who's hiding over there. Ready? Guess who?
Best Start is actually a different way of thinking. It's a different way of working within a community. We wanted to be able to influence not only families, but communities and systems. And to do it in a collective, strategic way, we felt that the place-based approach would allow us to do that.
A place-based approach means that you are understanding when you're trying to improve outcomes for children, that those children live in a place, and that place matters and context matters. Communities are the best source of solutions for the problems in that community. And so it's about partnering with the community, not making decisions for the community.
Irma, buenos días. Buenos días. We work with the community, empower them to help them feel strong, unified, so they can do more things.
¿Me das un besito?
When I see a family, they feel that trust, that they can trust to me because I'm part of the community, and they tell us what they need, what they are happening. Maybe they don't have food for the next day. Sometimes we bring the food, sometimes we bring the information.
So, lo que usted puede hacer es partir una manzana y darle como un cuartito de manzana, un pedacito de banana.
It's not a help if they don't have how to go for the food. If I just give the information, if they don't have a way to get the food, it's not really help for me.
Over 99% of our parents are immigrant parents. Families in this area need a variety of different support. there may be housing issues, applying for health benefits. You know, families that come here to our centers, they come here for childcare, but by the time they leave, we may help them understand how to set up a banking account.
In each place where First 5 LA will invest, there's already good work happening. What place-based approach allows you to do is be more strategic about identifying the good work that's already happening and then connecting those efforts together so you have more impact.
We've selected 14 communities based on need, based on the indicators that we are concerned about. And the other important factor is that communities have strengths that we can actually contribute to make this thing work.
And to look at partnering with other stakeholders within those communities, which essentially means engaging with parents, families, businesses, and community leaders.
Wow, look at all that hair. I wish I had hair like that.
We want to see government think about doing things in a different way. We want to see businesses think about the economic benefit of actually supporting early childhood development. We want people that normally have not been a part of our world to be participating.
A successful community will be one where you have high engagement by the community, and if we can get the parents to own it and to feel really good about what we're doing, any community effort that develops out of that is going to be successful.
My vision is that First 5 LA would be able to declare communities as Best Start communities. Best Start Los Angeles, Best Start Torrance, Best Start Wilmington. So hopefully all the communities in LA County would be a Best Start community down the road.